The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone XS Max on MetroPCS. So the newest iPhone is here at MetroPCS. So there's the iPhone right there. This is the biggest iPhone ever, and the iPhone XS Max looks very nice. You know what I'm saying? So the quick specs on this phone, of course, as you guys probably know, it has a 6.5-inch Super Retina screen size, dual 12-megapixel rear cameras, and 64 gigabytes of storage. It's available in space gray. It's also available in different colors as well. It's available in space gray, silver, and gold. Alright. So yeah, it says 6.5-inch Super Retina display, the largest display ever on an iPhone. Advanced Face ID, the smartest, most powerful chip in a smartphone, and a breakthrough dual camera system. iPhone XS Max is everything you have. iPhone XS Max is everything you love about iPhone and more. So the iPhone XS Max has a 6.5-inch Super Retina display. It's OLED with HDR, IP68 dust and water resistance, maximum depth up to 2 meters for 30 minutes, 12-megapixel dual cameras with dual optical image stabilization, and 7-megapixel true depth front camera, portrait mode, portrait lighting, depth control, and smart HDR. It also has Face ID, of course, for smart authentication, and Apple Pay, A12 Bionic with next generation neutral engine, wireless charging, with for Q chargers, iOS 12 with Me Emoji, screen time, Siri shortcuts, and grip FaceTime. So that's a win. The iPhone XS Max is $899 with eligible port-in and unlimited LTE plan, taxes, and activation fee extra. So if you guys buy an iPhone, so if you guys put your number over the MetroPCS, y'all guys will be able to get this phone for $899. If you guys are a new customer or whatnot, it's $1099. So do keep that in mind. So if you're porting your number over the MetroPCS, the iPhone XS Max is $200 off. So that's a win. And that's not pricing details, why not? So full retail price $1099. In-store rebates if you switch, $200 off, like I said. And yeah, it'd be $899 if you put your number over the MetroPCS. That's good that MetroPCS is offering a $200 discount if you put your number over. So it says, hey, welcome to the big screen, Super Retina in 2 sizes, including the largest display ever on an iPhone, even faster Face ID, the smartest, most powerful chip in a smartphone, and a breakthrough dual camera system. iPhone XS is everything you love about iPhone, taken to the extreme. Super Retina and big and big. Super Retina and big and bigger. The custom OLED displays on iPhone XS delivers the most accurate color in the industry, HDR and true blacks. And iPhone XS Max has Apple's largest display ever on an iPhone. All screen makes all the difference. See how much more room you'll have for everything you love to do. They do comparisons between the XS 8 Plus and the iPhone XS right there. Exceptional materials, the most durable glass ever in the smartphone. A beautiful new gold finish achieved with an atomic level process, precision machine, surgical grade stainless steel band, and a new level of water and dust resistance. Advanced Face ID security is simple. When your face is your password, you can unlock your iPhone, log into apps, and pay for things with a glance. It's the most secure facial authentication ever in a smartphone, and now it's even faster. Intelligent A12 Bionic. This is the smartest, most powerful chip in a smartphone, with Apple's next generation neutral engine for amazing augmented reality experiences, incredible portraits with depth control, and speed and fluidity in everything you do. breakthrough dual camera system. The world's most popular camera is defining a new era of photography, where an innovative sensor works with the ISP and neutral engine to help you create photos like never before. Has dual 12 megapixel cameras on back and all that stuff like that. Has 4K videos, of course, 60 frames per second. Portrait mode, and this iPhone XS delivers gigabit class LTE for super fast download speeds and up to 512 gigabytes of storage, making this Apple's highest capacity iPhone yet. MetroPCS, they're only offering the 64 gigabyte version, so do keep that in mind. No other phone is like iPhone. Every decision that goes into iPhone makes it stand apart. From the way it's made to the way privacy and security are built in from the start to the way Apple responsibly recycles it. And all that. Device specifications at 64 gigabytes of storage, obviously. 6.5-inch Super Retina display. It's OLED with HDR, 12-megapixel dual camera with dual optical image stabilization, and 7 megapixel true depth front camera. There is no expandable storage, of course. It's iPhone mobile hotspot up to 25 hours of talk time. iOS 12, A12 Bionic with next generation neutral engine. The iPhone XS Max weighs 7.34 ounces. And yeah, so there it is. As the iPhone XS Max is now available at MetroPCS for $8.99 if you put your number in. It's $10.99 for retail. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.